Another day, another English lesson. Past perceptions, judgments, and wishes. The perfect passive infinitive. Let's look at a grammar structure that is very useful for talking about the past from our present point of view. This form is called the perfect passive infinitive. You can recognize it by its form, to have been, plus past participle. Examples: to have been chosen, to have been told, and to have been discovered. The perfect passive infinitive, to have been, plus past participle, describes a completed past action that affected the subject. The subject received the action. Compare it with the perfect active infinitive, to have, plus past participle, which describes an action the subject performed. We use the perfect passive infinitive most often in three specific ways. For perceptions, what we think happened. We use it with verbs like seem and appear to describe our present conclusion about a past event. Examples: he seems to have been told the news already. I see his reaction now and conclude that someone told him in the past. The project appears to have been completed on time. Looking at the evidence now, it seems the project was completed on time. For judgments, what should have happened. We use it to express an opinion or criticism about a past action that did or did not happen, often with should, ought to, or was supposed to. Examples: this report ought to have been written more carefully. In my judgment, the writing was not done well in the past. The door was supposed to have been locked last night. This criticizes a past failure, the locking of the door. 3. For wishes, what we wanted to happen. We use it to express a wish or preference about a past event that did not occur. Example: I would have liked to have been invited to the meeting. This expresses a past desire that was not fulfilled. Summary. The perfect passive infinitive is your key tool for connecting the present moment to a finished past action. It allows you to express your perceptions of what occurred, your judgments on what should have occurred, and your wishes about what you wanted to occur. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the perfect passive infinitive of the verb in parentheses.
The guests seem to have been served already.
Yes, the plates are empty, and the waiter's gone.
The documents appear to have been signed this morning.
Right, you can still see the fresh ink.
The package seems to have been delivered to the wrong address.
That explains why the neighbor called us.
This room ought to have been cleaned before the meeting.
I agree, but I'll clean it up now.
The report was supposed to have been emailed by noon.
I'll check with the assistant. Maybe she forgot.
The trees seem to have been planted recently.
Yes, the soil around them is still loose.
The invitation appears to have been lost in the mail.
No wonder he didn't come to the wedding.
The students ought to have been told about the schedule change.
True, they looked completely confused this morning.
I would have liked to have been included in that team project.
You'd have added some great ideas.
She would have preferred to have been warned before the announcement of the layoffs.
I can understand that. It came as a big surprise.
I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon.